I do a fair amount of overlanding and truck camping with my kids, my wife, and my dog. And these are a few pictures of the old sleeping platform box that I had in my truck. Had 3 drawers beneath, and then we could set up our sleeping on top of it. And I decided to try to build a new box that would cover the wheel wells, give us an extra foot of sleeping area on top, as well as house my solar batteries and things beneath it. But these are a few pictures of the old setup that I had. The new design won't have drawers beneath, which I did enjoy having, but I will still be able to store gear there, and it will also be a little bit taller in order to fit the bank of batteries. I decided to use a white melamine particle board, 3/4 inch thick, and I guess time will tell if that was a good decision or not, see how well it holds up. I was lucky to have my dad in town, so he was able to help me out, which was very helpful on these long sheets, and fun to have a project to work on with him. The vertical supports in the center row are going to be 2x4s rather than particle board, so that I can still access my gear from the middle, be able to reach underneath the platform. If you look at the inside of a truck bed sometime, you'll be surprised that it's not near as square as you think it is. The left side turned out pretty darn good, so I'm going to go ahead and build the same thing, but for the right hand side. So you can see the two individual beds with an aisle in the middle so that you can sit up, put your shoes on, or play a card game or eat or whatever you need to. And this is with the centerpiece in place for a queen size bed. You can see at the back of the box all the batteries and inverter, and that took a long time to set up, and it's in pretty tight quarters, but so far I like how it turned out. Now I just need to put a solar panel on the top of the shell. Now it's time to get outside and go camping.